What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to take a quick look at Jasmy, because Jasmy has actually been relative to other cryptos as well, it's actually been quite bearish the last few days. Obviously all cryptos are bearish, but while some cryptos had massive gains yesterday of like 60% and stuff, Jasmy did go up. But like if you compared with other cryptos, they went up from here, and Jasmy only went up like 30%, which I had expected a little bit more from Jasmy, definitely because of the community behind it. Yeah, I just expected that it would go up a little bit more. So in this video, I did want to take a look at what has happened and what's possible to happen in the upcoming days. But yeah, Jasmy is struggling, and we're struggling with this level here between 1.15 cents and 1 cent ultimately. I've even broken below that right now. So what's going to happen, and that's obviously a tough thing to say, it really depends on the market circumstances. I think we have the possibility, if we get a spike with like Bitcoin up to 33,000, then I do think we have the possibility to break above 1.15 cents, and I think we could actually spike up all the way to, well, 1.7 cents might be a little much, because that's going to be a 45% increase, but it is possible to get into that area again. I do think we'll reject off of that level really hard, so we'll drop down to like 1 cent or 1.15 cents at least immediately afterwards. But that would at least show some strength, and we haven't seen that from Jasmy yet, after all these fundamental bear moves and the beginning arguably of this bear market. So it would be great to just see that, even if that doesn't mean that much for the long term. It's still good for like the psychological part behind it. As of right now though, it's just, as I said, we just dropped down below 1 cent again. So if we're staying below 1 cent within the next day, I think it's more likely that we're actually going to see something like this, to drop down again to like 0.85 cents and consolidate down there. And then we would still have this possibility, but only if the market moves. And normally Jasmy is actually strong enough to get its own moves, to get its own bull moves, while the market is not necessarily correlated with it. And that doesn't look to be the case right now. So that kind of disappoints me. So I know last video we talked a little bit about if Jasmy will survive until 2025. It's kind of like a mixed answer, I think. So I think that answer also really depends on what we'll do in the next month. If in the next month we'll actually keep dropping like this down to like 0.5 cents, it's going to be a very insecure future for Jasmy. But if we can actually see something like this, then I mean we could hold on this 1 cent level longer and just stay up here for a longer period of time. So that would be great, and that would, in my opinion, even if it's such a small move on the short term, that would, in my opinion, greatly increase the chances of actually staying around as Jasmy and as a community behind Jasmy. Because frankly, if Jasmy keeps falling like this, the community falls away as well, and I think the strongest part about Jasmy is its community. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents on that. Again, if you do have any questions about the analysis though, or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.